Although globalization has changed how we interact, live, and work, a feminist viewpoint emphasizes how gendered these changes are. First, let's talk about economic globalization. Women are more affected by policies like deregulation, privatization, and the termination of social welfare programs. Many women work in low paying jobs, especially in factories where conditions are tough, long hours, poor pay, and unsafe environments. Women are often hired because they're seen as obedient and hardworking. While these jobs may offer some financial independence, they often come with exploitation. Another issue is global care chains, where women from countries like the Philippines move to richer countries to work as caregivers or domestic helpers. This helps wealthier nations but comes at an emotional cost for these women who leave their families behind. While progress has been made on issues like gender based violence and education, deeper inequalities remain unaddressed. The ethics of care emphasizes valuing caregiving work, which is often unpaid or underpaid, and urges policies that prioritize people's well being over profit. Transnational feminism focuses on how race, class, and gender intersect, promoting global unity and justice. Feminists call for changes to the global system that prioritize human needs, share caregiving responsibilities, and empower marginalized voices. They propose taxing corporations to fund social services and ensuring everyone has the right to both give and receive care. These ideas challenge the current system and push for a fairer, more equal world. What do you think about these feminist critics and solutions? Are they enough to address the systematic inequalities in globalization? Or do we need even more radical changes?